Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
All right, guys, what's going on? We've made it down to Bronco Off-Rodeo here in Maryville, Tennessee. Now, for those of you that don't know, anytime you purchase a Ford Bronco, Ford gives you an opportunity to go down to one of their locations in the US to essentially do a full day of off-roading instructed by their certified trail guides. Now, let me tell you, this place was fantastic. I mean, look at this clubhouse. It's beautiful. And everybody's getting registered here. We're all getting ready to just get acquainted with each other. Our trail guides are introducing themselves, explaining the events throughout the day. As you can see here, some fellow Ontarians have made it down here as well. Hey, what better than to take my new Bronco on its inaugural drive down to Tennessee? Again, here you've got the trail guides not only explaining the capabilities of the Ford Bronco, but really going over the day and some of the technical aspects of trails and the vehicle itself. As you can see here, this is pretty non-intimidating stuff, but whether you're an experienced trailer or maybe you're brand new to off-roading, this is where we essentially kind of get an idea as to what to expect for the day. Pretty simple little humps here, a little bit of a water hole, nothing too crazy. And here we've got a little rock garden to go through. Again, non-intimidating stuff. The idea here is to get everyone familiar with what to expect out on the trails and how to overcome all of these obstacles as we go through the day. You don't need to be a professional off-roader. You just need to have the ability to maneuver a vehicle. And this is what you don't want to do. All right, skid plate full effect here. However, this was deliberate. Our trail guide here is trying to show us as to what to do and what not to do. And as you can see, we are ready to get over some of these boulders and execute that trail properly without scraping any of the shiny bits underneath. Thank goodness these are Ford vehicles and not our own. Hey, but I'm excited to get my own on the trail. And again, I cannot thank all of our trail guides enough. All right, we're strapped in, let's go.
Just be aware you cannot see the rocks and things there at the bottom of the creek because it is quite muddy. So just making sure we're at that slow, steady pace, making sure we don't get a tire and slash it there on a rock at the bottom of the creek. Just want to be at that slow, steady pace.
Maneuvering our way through these trails was part of the fun. Can't emphasize enough as to the guidance that we received from the trail guides. Absolutely fantastic. Now, for some of you experienced off-roaders, you might be thinking this is child's play. However, for someone who's relatively new to the off-roading game, this was more than enough to really set in the thrill for the day. I had a ball, and did it ever wake up the inner off-roader in me? I cannot wait to get to some more trails with my own Bronco. From ascending to descending, there was always an obstacle for us to overcome. And again, thank you to our trail guides for giving us the guidance we needed. What I loved about my trail guide is that he knew exactly where to place the vehicle at all times. As you can hear him here, he's also making reference to the fact that I own a manual Bronco, so throughout the day he was helping me out and giving me some guidance as to what I would do in my own manual Bronco, as these ones were all automatics. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Max.
And straighten that wheel out for me.
And just like that, we're done our morning session, just had some lunch. Let's get back out there and get this thing dirty. All right, here we go. We're ascending up to the top of this hill, only to make our way back down again in this more complex route that we have taken. Now, the afternoon session definitely stepped up the game. I have to admit, we went from novice in the morning to more advanced in the afternoon. And I think it was the right mix, as everyone was becoming more and more comfortable with driving on these trails. This was absolute blast, and I had so much fun. Look at this thing go.
A little bit more.
All right, our day is coming to an end, and as we make our way through some more obstacles, I mean, look at this. We're making our descent down to the trailhead, but before we get there, we have the best for last. This little riverbed was nothing compared to what was coming next. I had so much fun, and just wait until you see. But I was told that I literally had this thing on the ragged edge through this next little maneuver they like to call the waterfall. This little riverbed was the icing on the cake. Just wait. I can't believe it. However, everything was good, executed with no problems whatsoever. And again, thanks to everyone. Thanks to Ford. Thanks to everyone at this event. I'm going to shut up now. Have a look at this.
Hard driver. Hard driver. Hold right there. Let's use that rear locking differential. Very gentle coming forward. Hold right there. All right, straighten that wheel out for me. Keep going a little bit more. All right, very gentle coming forward. Ease it down. All right, back driver. Yep, keep coming forward. That front end's gonna start to come down here. Straighten that wheel out. Perfect. Keep coming. Yep, and then a little driver. 27 degrees, I love it. Yeah. And then steady bringing that rear end down. Perfect, not going to stretch.
That was pretty good.
All right, guys, well, that's it. That is a wrap. We are done here at Bronco Off-Rodeo here in Tennessee, and I cannot thank Ford enough. This is a fantastic event. If you have a Ford Bronco and you purchased it, you do get a free enrollment into this event, and I cannot emphasize enough just how amazing this event was. Not only was it fun, but it was informative. Our trail guides were fantastic, and it happened here in the beautiful Smokies here in Tennessee. I cannot emphasize enough just how beautiful this backdrop is. Look around, it is marvelous here. In any event, I learned a lot. Again, I had a ton of fun, and that is really the key here. Ford, you've done an amazing thing. The guys here, the trail guides, the staff, everyone has been fantastic. This is really, really, really a great event, and more manufacturers should pick up on some of this, or not. Let it, leave it to Ford. They're doing the right thing. Everyone else isn't. Wrangler. Anyways, honestly, I've had a fantastic time. I cannot stress again just how amazing it's been. We're done. The day's over. I'm tired. We've been fed here. It's been fantastic. Lunch and dinner. We're gonna have a campfire now, and thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.